Great. 15 seconds, everyone. Hey, it's a Glitzy War. How are you, sweetie? Thanks so much for tuning in. Hey. Yeah, Jennifer's with that chromes. 15 seconds. This is the final look for this. Really stunning. I'm opening it on the side, so 15 seconds. Great. I'm gonna apply this on how we tie the nails. These are the colors you want to see. I really love this one. And it's different. Keep in mind that it's gonna be different. It depends on the background you're using. I'm using kind of a pink, like kind of a darker pink, so it's gonna give out that look. But it can be changed if you're using a black or if you're using a lighter pink. Lighter pink is gonna give a lighter look. Looks great. Looks great. Give a little bit brush off with my So now we're gonna using a weaver gels. I have the pure white here. And my 4 toothpick, I put it together. Just pick them up. And it depends on how thick you want your And now if you want to do your now if you want to, I'm gonna key it really quick, 60 seconds. Hey Sarah, how are you? Sarah, can you add the code in there for me? So if you want to do a pigments, you can do a 15 second and do a neon pigments and rub it on. It's like earlier with Sarah's sharing. It's really beautiful. I love the neon pigments and the neon theme. Sarah's going really cool though. She's going by a theme, which is make it so super easy that if you're looking for a cool different design using a different products from Glitz accessory and such, Sarah's like the same. We trying to share with the theme. So if you have the clients doing like 4 different nails or 5 different designs, and you have a whole entire theme to work with. Great. It's awesome, Sarah. I love it. It's just a little bit, the internet is hard today, but she did amazing. It's so beautiful, so artistic. Great. Let me see, Sarah. Are you on Facebook with Sarah or you're on Instagram? Hey, thank you, Nuna. Thank you, AC. Okay, so great. So if you are done with this, you can put the crystal placements on, or you can absolutely do a different, like this time. Do you want to see me doing with a silver or with gold? Silver looks stunning. Gold looks good as well. I don't know, we're always doing gold. We're always doing like golden touch. But let me try the shimmer silver and see how it turned out on this stunning design. Just feel it's so solid. I just opened this. Well, I have so many different set, but I have ones right next to me right now. So this is a gel painting. It's shimmering silver. And all you need to do is just fill in to wherever you want, just the little portion of it if you want it. Can Instagram see okay? We'll get prepared for streams on YouTube as well. Hello YouTubers, if you're watching later. You can fill in a portion, or if you don't want to, totally fine. Great. I think it looks good. So I'm gonna key for about 60 seconds, or you can flash key for 30 seconds. Shimmering silver is really pigmented and it's so solid. It's like dip once and one stroke will give you a solid look. I'm excited, so we're gonna put some crystals on it. I'm gonna get my tinted brush and condensed glue gels. We'll put some cute crystals on that one. You can always do an AB, or you can do I absolutely love Sarah design earlier. She did so awesome, so stunning, Sarah. So I'm probably using my AB. I do have silver and gold somewhere. So condensed glue gel is really thick density. It doesn't move anywhere at all. And I'm gonna apply on some part of the weaver gels. I'm gonna just put a few of them, but you know, sometimes I just come up with things that I want more. I never want less, I want more. Do you ever want less? Like in life, be honest, I would never want less. I want more. I don't know, however people would think, you know. They would think, oh, why you want more? It's just not any of reasons. You want more, you want to learn more because you always want to be better yourself, and then, you know, get your skill to the next level. You want more because then you can fulfill a lot for a lot of things, a lot of reasons. Like clients will be happy and they're willing to like come and see you. No wipe top coat. And I feel good when I always want to learn more. Because, you know, when you want more in a good way, not like I say more in a greedy way. It's more so then you can able to do more and work smarter, not harder, and help more people to be successful, so then you can be there too. Floating the no white top coat on the top. Sorry, it was like cluttery. And I'm gonna looking into one of my mix AB, just randomly. You can see place it. You can do a bigger crystal. I think a bigger crystal looks so cute as well. It's like show more, or you can do different colors. I think, be honest, this one, if you put some like a neons will pop really nice too. So however you would like. All right, Jennifer, this is now for you, sweetie. Great. So here under the LED light for 60 seconds, and then I will check if I need precision glue on this. If not, then we are good to go. I don't think I need it. I want it right there. You can put it somewhere, you know, like randomly. It doesn't have to be. Okay, great. Here, 60 seconds. Dazzle Digits, Jennifer. I love it too. It's so cute, right? It's super simple, easy. I say super simple, easy. Like if you really understand, it's really deep, and it means that for all our nail technician who's already know the basics, like, or even the beginners who is thinking is a crystal placement game or in the nail industries will be difficult, or it's hard to be really getting better. This is something for you to see. You see me do live video. Actually, when I do live video, I do it slower. If I'm doing for the clients, it faster because I don't have to sharing explaining, so the clients will sit and chills and really relax and enjoy. So when I'm doing live, I'm trying to share as much impossible and tips and tricks possible, so then you won't have to, you eliminate of like all that mistake or the troubleshooting that you have to be through and like go through. So then I share with you, so then you don't have to being, you know, struggling with that. So you can just take that and even doing it better than what I'm doing and showing. All right, so it looks good and it's nice and it dry because I put the top coat floating on the top of condensed glue gel. So, and then it doesn't affect anything because the condensed glue gel stay nice and it doesn't affect my chromes. And then actually is really good to cap the chromes as well. So I'm gonna go in to check. Usually with the little baby crystals, it's not much of the edges come on, but then, you know, you never know because I'm laying them on the top of the weaver gel, so they might have a little like gaps and cracks between. So I'm gonna just doing a really good check and just some spot that I need to fill in. Other than that, it looks really good, and I am going to key it for 60 seconds, and this nail will be completely done.